And now we're getting on to the highway in sport mode, which is 600 pounds of horsepower, V12. Absolutely beautiful. The way a BMW sounds, well, I'll tell you what, we didn't employ Hans Zimmerman for no reason. Sounds are very important to us and our clients. And that is one of our main attractions in our BMWs. It's not only the way the car feels, but it's also how it sounds. Just absolutely brilliant. Every time you touch the gas, you understand why you're in a BMW. It just sounds beautiful.